Wow. Hi everyone from in the Bay Area, Tibetans and Westerners here. I'm Tibetan artist Tashi Norbu from Contemporary Art. I'm going to perform here live painting performance on the Wednesday evening, which is a Lahkar, so it's a very sacred day for the Dalai Lama in Tibetan tradition. So in this place, Sering Bawala's Tibet Art Studio, I'm going to create a painting with the musicians around me Wednesday from 8 to 9 p.m. I hope everyone joins it. We had a great evening last night here in Dundup's place. Now we're gonna do it here. It's a wonderful setup from Sering Bawala. So see you all.
Tashi Norbu from all the way from Holland. So please join with us. And this studio it's open for everyone, and any artist can join here for play your music or dance or read your poem. So it's open mic here. Most welcome.
Yeah, wonderful. Yeah. Thank you very much. Yes, and I'm honored to play with wonderful musicians like Sringla is for one of the legendary Tibetan singer from Tibetan Institute of Performing Arts, and it's happening in a wonderful space of Sering Bawala Tibet's Art Studio from 8 to 9 p.m.
말아서 그리 정보 정보 상물로 야 들이대 Tashi Norbu 홀랜드 집회요래 아니 그런 되게 뭐 계jen지 뭐다는 그런 리모직 살하고 달하가도 되게야 무치무치 튀는 그래 주 가면시 주셔야 나려야 뒤에 qable야 또 산에게 이제와 같이 지게 진짜 나야다 내게 나리 랍지 루트로만 지기나야 프로모팅 트레이닝 제스나버 상마 페로나 안델야 차게들 게스요 말에 이나야 리모싱도 예반데 이모들 나머지 시도 레스트라이 그 가마마 페토야 라바요 두체나